Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV one more time again. And guys, today is the day I'm heading to ShopRite to pick up some peanut butter and some cereal and some jam or jelly, that's what they call them, because they have a sale going on and it starts today. So I'm packing some barrels, me and my wife, to send down to my family in Jamaica, and also some stuff for my hard working workers at our property. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Stop out.
The bird? Oh yeah. I gotta put feed in there. Tray thing. This is what we're going to ShopRite for. This peanut butter right here. It's on sale for $1.49. Saving of $1.40. Limited. Yeah, and 4 per variety. So we're gonna do that. And then you see the Post cereal right there. $1.49. That's gonna be great. You see down here we got some coupons. We're gonna get a dozen eggs for 99 cents. We're gonna get a cantaloupe for 99 cents. And we're gonna get a mayonnaise for 99 cents. So this right here is $1 off country crock butter. Yeah, so the one that I have in the refrigerator is almost done. So I found this guy in the flyer this morning, so I'm gonna use it to get my butter. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to go in the shop, right?
You can have it.
I can have it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you don't use coupons. Where you can push it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. You are something else, bro.
No.
What?
Yeah.
What?
I know.
What? This is the peanut butter that is on sale. Yeah, $1.49. Yeah? You want what? Yogurt? Okay, we're gonna get yogurt. So Max, we need 4 of the creamy. Put on this for me, please. We need 4 of them. All right. How much is that?
4.
How much is that? 3.
Yeah.
All right. And we need crunchy now. They have the crunchy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check and see if they have the crunchy.
And yogurt.
And yogurt too.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't need the sweet and spicy. We'll get some more peanuts too. We only get 2 more peanuts. Yeah. You're putting them in the bag?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're putting them in the bag, bro. Bro.
Yeah.
What? They say limit 4 per variety, so I'm gonna get 2 of the, what they call it, cinnamon bunches.
Yeah.
No, 1 of the cinnamon bunches. We're gonna get the almond. Alright, here you go, Papa. And this is what? Strawberry. How much is that? 4? What? What else do they got, Papa?
Banana.
Banana? I don't see no banana. You talking to yourself? Yeah. Yeah. You. What you want? Yeah. 4. Where is that? 4? Yeah. Okay. So it says save $1 on any. So this is the price for the large one, family size. And then you have this size right here. Yep. So we're gonna get the family size now. Yeah. Save us $1. $7.99. $8. Yo, Max. Leave it.
Hey.
It's not closed. There you go.
Hey.
Got it? Do you know the yogurt that you need?
Huh?
You know which one of the yogurt you need?
Hey.
Yeah.
Dog.
Okay.
Nah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Strawberry. There's much flavors in there. Vanilla. Let's do this one. Let's do the mix. This is mix. I think you will like that. Strawberry and mixed berry, okay? So look here, they have the super crunchy. So we're gonna get 4 of the super crunchy. Alright?
Yeah.
Sorry my brother, you're good man. Let me put the eggs right there. Yeah. So that is, put them in the bag please. Put them in the bag. One. Put the next one. Put the next one. Put all of them in the bag for me. All of them. Put all of them in the bag. You got it? Yeah. What else? Put that one too. Put that too. Yeah. You got it? Take your time. Take your time. You got it. You got it. Mayonnaise. You got it. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
More.
More did it? Okay, put it in there. Playing games, bro. Alright.
Hey.
No, I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so let's straighten up this. More is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cereal.
Put the cereal right there. No. So we're gonna get 4 crunchy. Super crunchy they call it. Yeah. $1.49. 4 per variety. Sales for 3 days. Leave it, Max. In the bag you go. And you, what's that? Max, look at this. Look what I didn't know that they have. Look, they carry roasted honey nuts, right? And then this one is no need to stir. This one is natural. What? There are so many flavors, bro. You can't believe that. So they have super crunchy, they have creamy, right? They have roasted honey nuts, they got reduced fat, yeah. They have no sugar added, yeah. Wow. So are they telling me that they are adding sugar to peanut? Yo, and then they have not skipping natural super crunchy. Okay. Yeah. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Yeah. Extra crunchy. Okay, let's get 4 of the extra crunchy. Extra crunchy, super crunchy. Am I saying it properly, Papa?
Yogurt.
You want yogurt? Alright, when you go to the car, you get the yogurt. Alright? Yeah. So they have jam and jelly. What? So they have it in jam and jelly, Papa. What? Okay. Keep these guys right there. You're gonna do 4 of that, right? We're gonna get 2 jam and 2 jelly. Okay?
Yeah. Hey.
That's it. You ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Got this, guys. 3,250 watt generator for $100. That's not bad. Nice. Pops. Max, I think we should get one of this. Eh? You think we should get one of the generator? Hmm? See?
Yeah.
You want to get, you think we should get one?
No.
Why not? I think I'm gonna get one, guys. Yeah. So guys, we got the stuff that we came for. And more. So yeah, we got cereals them. Yeah. So guys, we are back home from what is it? Eat me not me back. What is it? Eat me. Wow. So grab my phone. Yeah, so we are back home from ShopRite, guys. You ready? Yo. Here's the next one. Why you throw down my hat on the ground now, Max? You know, easy, you know. Let me see where you look for you. You look nice, look. How you look? Like how you look?
I would, yeah.
Come on. Close it, close it.
Okay.
Leave it, that's it. Come on.
Okay. I would.
Alright.
Hey.
Did you throw down my hat on the ground again? Yo, bro. So yes, guys, so you know, he's on holiday.
I can't open the gun.
You want to open the truck?
Yeah.
There you go, help me now. Leave it up. There you go. Fist bump.
I'm on my butt.
Your boss? Did I take them down?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Come on, man. Hmm? Yeah.
Yeah.
You giving me the cereal then?
Yeah.
Alright, one, two.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, nice job, bro. Beautiful. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, let me put down these first. Max.
Yeah.
You want the rest?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. One at a time. One at a time. One. Woo-wee. You got it?
Bye.
You got it? Alright. Take your time. One more. Thank you. Good job. What you want to give me the bags them too? Where you going? Oh. Where you going? I don't want you to move from here. Stay right here with me, bro.
No.
Come. You want to give me the bag?
Yeah. I want to put it down.
Yeah. You want to put it down?
Yep.
You want to put it down?
No.
You sure?
No.
Alright, come put it down. Come. You got it? There you go. Push it, Papa. Push it. Good job. Want to get the next one?
I want more yogurt.
You want more yogurt?
Yep.
You gonna eat off all the yogurt then? What you know easy?
No.
You know easy, yeah?
I am.
Alright, hold this one. This one is heavy.
Okay.
It's heavy. You got it? Huh? You got it? You got it? You got it? Push it. Push it, Papa. Push it. Push it. There you go. Now we gotta close it down now. I'm gonna leave the bags and your cushion thing in there, alright? You gonna close it down now? Good job.
I want to go to the backyard.
You wanna go in the backyard?
Yep.
No, you wanna go in the backyard, guys. Alright, let me take out this stuff out the bags first, okay? You can go and ride around, let me empty the bag. Them. You putting on your seatbelt?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I got this yogurt. I'm gonna put it in the fridge.
No.
You wanna keep it?
Yeah.
You wanna take out one?
Yeah.
Let me open it for you.
Hey. Daddy,
Yeah, here you
I'll
go.
open it for you.
You alright? Don't move. Well guys, we got some more peanuts. You know, send down. We got a couple. We got some grape jam and jelly. Yeah. And what else? Yeah. And I got my butter.
More.
Yeah, no more Max, no more. This butter need to go inside. Sometime when I'm to Jamaica, I will buy this guy right here and freeze it like 2 days before, wrap it up in cleaner paper and bring it in my suitcase. Yeah, so this, I got this for 99 cents and I got this mayonnaise for 99 cents. And then we have the rest of peanut butter. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that is it. So, yeah. We got 4 of one variety, 4 of one variety, and 4 of one variety. So that's it. So we got 12 peanut butter. Yeah, I got my 99-cent egg, I got my 99-cent mayonnaise, and I got my butter. Yeah. So yes guys, this is it. Yeah, amazing.